Are you fucking kidding me? Another dog! And you're killing me, dude! God damn it! Those fucking dogs! Hello guys, this is NanaGirlyMisa and welcome to 7 Days to Die, Day 4. As you can see here, I built this to block it off. Because I feel like I don't need to use the downstairs and stuff, and I feel like it would be better. Because I'm gonna go up here on Day 7, so I'm gonna try to figure out a way to go up there, do the ladder and stuff. So yeah, and as you can see here, I crafted a lot of more things to bring up my construction skills and my weaponsmithing and all that. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what to do here. I don't want to go down there because I don't want to risk breaking my leg, so I'm just going to break through here. I probably just should have put a regular frame, that's okay. It'll get my construction up a lot, hopefully. Yeah, let's see what we can do today. I'm thinking about leaving that town. I don't know, what do you guys think? I probably am, but for now I'm going to put away things that I don't need for now. Well, actually I might need that later. No, I might need that too. Damn it. I'll put that in there. Large bones, I'll deal with that later. Other than that, we should be good. But the first thing that I will probably do is, just start jumping down. I don't break my legs from there, but, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna loot that place today. I think that we need to worry about Day 7. I don't know, we could try it, but first I am going to kill this deer. Oh, come on, don't walk away. Come on, come back. It's so weird how they run. They just, like jumping and running at the same time. I don't know, it just looks really weird. I like the animation of it. So, let's see. Where'd he go? Okay, there. There. Okay. Now, I should get bleeding damage, so I don't think that I'll need to... Yeah, it died. I'm pretty sure it did. Yeah, it definitely did. Ooh, I don't know why I hit it. But yeah, I guess, I'm gonna have to go back to the house and put this away because I don't want to go around smelling. It's not a good plan at all. And I'll take all this. The rotten flesh. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go back. Maybe hit a few plants along the way, just for some plant fiber. Because, you know, that's always important, because you can never have enough of it, right? Oh, hello! Where did you guys come from? Jeez Louise. Come on. Oh, come on, die. There you go. Make sure there's none behind me. Yeah, I'm good. Ooh. Damn, girl, you down already? That's all you got? Damn. Don't need that. Just look. Ooh. Food. I will eat that. Yeah, that definitely attracted them right away. That's why I don't want to go around smelling. So yeah, I'm just gonna go take that back. Now. Because right when I got that, boom, 2 zombies. You saw that, didn't you? Yeah, I'm sure you did. If you're watching this, of course. Ooh, I almost stepped on those spikes again. And you know what? That refrigerator is kind of loud. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. I'm sorry. I just have to. I don't know if zombies can hear in the game, but I'm pretty sure they can. If they can, I don't want this to attract them. I mean, I'm not sure if it can attract them, but I really don't care. I just want to get rid of it. It's fine. And it gave me 2 irons, so that's always good. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna put this away. All that. I'll make some shivs later. And what I'm gonna do right now, what I should have been doing this whole time, is getting food. So, I mean not food, water. Before I forget, I need to fill up those. So let's do that real quick. The pond's over here, right? I'll keep my arrow just in case something happens. Because like I said, you can't really predict this game. Camping rest, no dumping. Okay, so yeah, let's just get some water. Now I heard that eventually the pond can run out and then you can't get water from it anymore. I don't know if it's true. There we go. I was like, wait, why can't I get any? But yeah, now we have murky water, which we can make regular water out of. And I think I could use this too to, there we go. Have an extra one there. I don't know. But yeah, I think I will place these right now, just to get it over with. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and be right back. Alright guys, we are back, and as you can see, I placed all the spikes that I could. I upgraded it once, except for this side. Since I had some iron, I went ahead and upgraded it to iron. I am going to try to get more iron and stuff, though, later on. But I really do want to try to explore that one place. So, I'm going to look at this, repair that. Repair that, okay. Oh, wow. Can I make a better bow? Let's see. Let's see if I can make a better one. Oh yeah, screw this one. Goodbye. Alright. Anyways. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Dyersville. I mean, I got 53 arrows, so it should be good enough, I think. Explore as much as I can, but I think at about 15 or 16, I'm going to come back. Maybe 18, I don't know. It depends on if we're finding anything good and stuff. Because I do need to get some resources before I pack up tonight. And we already searched that house, so I don't want to bother. I really don't. Save some of that stamina. Ooh, my athletics went up. That's good. What's my character level overall? 6. Yeah, that's always really important. Am I too hot? I wonder with the pelt. No, it feels good. I'm at a good temperature, I think. Yeah. I don't know. There's nothing really here. Ooh, bird's nest. Oh, awesome. I can make more arrows. Let's see how many. Let's see if I can do that while I'm on my way. There we go. I do want to get that deer, but I'm not going to bother. I have more things to worry about right now. I got some food for tonight. It's good enough. It's good enough for me. Oh, now I'm getting too hot. Now I gotta take this off. Oh, where's that airdrop? Where is it? There we go. I'm going out there. Let's kill this zombie. It's going over there anyways. Come here. Yeah, it makes me feel better that I have more arrows now. This one's freaky. Oh! Hello. Where are you? I thought there was a zombie behind me for a minute, that's why I ran. Because I don't want to get stunned or something, you know. I think you're done for. Yep. Weird position there, but okay. Not gonna worry about that ore block. Ooh, I am gonna get this rock real quick though. So I can upgrade those wood ones to iron because I really need to. You know, because every time a zombie dies on there, it does give it like a hit point. I don't know, that's what I was told. So yeah, we're gonna find out though. And hopefully there's something really good in that airdrop. I'm really curious to find out. So we will see. Come on, hurry up. I want to get to that airdrop. And then maybe go to Dyersville. I don't know yet. Maybe. Got a zombie over there? No. Alright, well, I do need to get definitely more stuff, though. Oh, well, it looks like I have to go through Dyersville to get there anyway, so might as well, right? Oh, might as well just kill them. Because I really do want to get to that airdrop badly. Like, super badly. Oh, damn, I missed. Fuck, there's a dog. I hate those. Where is it? Where's that dog? I swear I saw a dog. I swear. Why is it attacking that rock? Damn it, I'm bleeding. Okay, there we go. It stopped. God, I hate the dog. I hate the dogs. I hate them. I wish that you'd die already. Stay there. Stay down. Just gonna eat that. Hello. Let's take it. Are you serious? Another fucking dog! I'm running out of band-aids. Guys, this is ridiculous. And he just won't die. And I think that zombie's coming after me. I don't have any feathers. Damn. I found a red tank top. I'll wear that. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better than wearing no clothes. Oh, come on, feathers. Give me some feathers. Oh, another egg. I mean, food's always good, but I don't know. Just want to get to that airdrop. And he's pissed. And I missed. Damn it. I should get lower in the ground. Lower ground. I shouldn't be going uphill. Come on. Aren't you a big boy? You're a big boy, aren't you? Damn it, I missed. Ooh. Right at your head, boy. And you had nothing. You were a waste of my time. You are a disgrace. A disgrace. And I swear, if I see one more dog, I will flip my shit. I hate them just as much as lumberjacks. And you already know how much I hate lumberjacks, considering I was in the snowy area with them. And I was just freaking out because I didn't know what to do. Eat that. Whoa. Where are you on the ground? Yep. I'm lucky I didn't break my leg. I also have to make this splint. I don't even know if I have that stuff. I really don't want to be wasting my arrows here, so I'm just gonna hit him. Which I don't really like to. But I kind of have to right now. Come on. There we go. He just snuck up on me though. Ooh, mining helmet. That would really be useful. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk this way. Don't want to walk through that town. Gotta check this though. Get to that airdrop, and then maybe on the way back I'll loot some stuff. Craft that. Okay. You never know when you might need extra arrows, right? Are you fucking kidding me? Another dog! And you're killing me, dude! God damn it! Those fucking dogs! God damn it! I was just freaking out, I didn't know what to do. Hopefully that nurse zombie will have something, but I did take a painkiller, so my health will go up over time. Oh, thank God. Okay. God damn, I hate those dogs. And that nurse zombie didn't even have nothing, so... Whatevs. Whatevs, nurse. You're supposed to have shit for me, but you don't. You just don't. Yeah, I really need to get to that airdrop. Oh my goodness. He's attacking the wall. Why? Yeah, I don't even know if I can make it to that airdrop. And someone's calling me, but I don't care right now. Come on, phone, stop. It's probably just one of those. What the fuck? Run! Yeah, screw this. Nope. Damn it. I want to get to that airdrop. You know what? I'm going. I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna run. Run as far as I can. Damn it, don't pause. Okay. I wanted to have time to get some resources tonight, but I feel like this is really important right now. Damn it, don't pause. I'm used to this shifting and then pausing to get out of the thing, and I don't know. Come on, I should make some more band-aids. How many can I make? 3. That's good enough. Just in case a fucking dog gets me again. I mean, I get that bleeding damage points. Yeah, I don't know, I might just make a little thing tonight. So I don't know if I'll make it home. Here we go. Was it worth it? Yes! That's a good one. Whoa, holy crap. I got a Spike Club somatic and a first aid. Oh my god, this is awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. That was awesome. That's exactly what I needed. Band-aids here, painkillers. Now I got antibiotics just in case I get an infection. Which luckily I haven't yet, so... But yeah, we definitely need to start getting back. just gonna stop and get some of this real quick. Oh, I'm infected anyways. I need to take one. Okay, whatever. I'm going. Maybe when I'm over there I can... Because I already have enough stone. But for now I'm just going to put more skills towards athletics. And... What's the other thing? Waste crafting. Another one. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's just go now. Just run. I don't have time for you, bitch. Okay? Need to get home. Home, sweet home. Before it's 22 and I'm fucked. Because literally, that's how it is, right? So it's just too dark and then you can't see anything. Then you're just screwed. That's why when I couldn't find a place, I just made that... Oh, stop it! You got problems. You got issues. You need to calm down. Calm your tits. Let's search this real quick. Oh, come on. No! There. Okay, found some... Oh, I don't know why I do that every time. Okay. A little crawler over there, not gonna worry about it. But I should have time to get more trees. So I'm just gonna craft that real quick. Might as well just use the rest of this to get wood. Oh, this is what I need. Grab some of this real quick. Perfect! But yeah, we're almost home anyway, so it doesn't matter. That was a really good drop, though. Like, I've never had a drop like that. Oop, good thing I made one. I knew that was gonna happen. Definitely need to make it home, though. And I need to make more spikes. Come on. Okay, now we're going back. Oh, shoot, now I don't have stamina. That's not good. Yeah, I guess I'll just be walking. You know, in a zombie apocalypse. Yeah, I wish I had some beer or something so I can just have, like, unlimited stamina for a while. That'd be really helpful right now. Just so I can get some trees chopped down and I don't have to worry about it. So now we're back, I'm gonna chop some trees. I only have until 21 though. I need to make some trees not make trees. I need to make spikes for tonight. And then I gotta figure out a way to make a thing up there. So yeah, I'll do that. And I will put this in here just in case something happens. But yeah, definitely good thing I got that last painkiller, or else I'd be dead by now. Like, that was a close call back there. That definitely was. See, I'm just gonna try chopping as much as I can right now, just real quick. And I know I have wood back there, and since I have some coal now, I don't have to worry about the little, campfire. Yeah, that was pretty intense back there, I gotta say. Then when we get back, I will cook some food. And then I'll explain more of the plan that I have. So yeah, that's about it though. I mean, nothing really exciting in this one besides that I almost got killed like 3 times. I mean, damn. Come on. Tree, just timber already. Just timber. Timber away. Come on. You can do it, tree. I know you can. And there we go. That brought my construction space up. I'm just going to chop this little one down so it's just out of the way. And after that, I'm just going to go back upstairs. Because I should have enough stuff for tonight, so... Yeah, that's good. It's going to take me a little bit to get up there, anyways. So for now, I'm just going to put wood frame here, here, and I'm definitely going to take some of those. Yeah, that's good. But yeah, we look good for tonight. And yeah, I'll definitely finish up that. Let's see what I can do here, though. Come on. Okay. So, let's see. Oh! That wasn't smart! Nope. Not very smart at all. Just wanted to get up there. I almost hurt myself doing that. No good. Okay. So... Are you kidding me? Damn it! Come on, Katie. What are you doing? I guess I'll just let myself heal, and I don't want to waste painkillers or none of that. I just want to put a frame right there. Like, damn game. Is that difficult enough for you? I just want one thing. One thing! And you won't even let me. Like, why? I can't even get up the ladder now. Is my leg broken? What's going on here? Alright. So now that's stable. Okay. I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out... Oh! You're kidding me. What am I doing? So I just want to get up there. So what I could do, I could make a thing like this. Oh, where did my stone axe go? Why did it get put away? I don't know. There it is. Okay. So now that's that. Because this is for up here, right? Yeah, it is. So do I have my ladders? I do. So let's just try. Oh, I can't get up there. Or what I could do is get rid of that. And then put that there. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot better. Wait, then, okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just trying to think of something. Something that will work. I mean, do I need ladders? Can I just use wood frames? I don't know, I'll figure it out tomorrow. I just want to get inside for now. Just so screamers don't get out and stuff. And I guess I'll just cover that. Oh, looks like I upgraded one thing that I didn't mean to. That's okay. Doesn't really matter. Oh, I can't see. Hold on, where's my torch? My torch! Where's my torch? Do I not have my torch? Did I really lose it or something again? Oh, there it is. Let's see, I knew I had it somewhere. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. There. Yeah, whatever. Then I'm gonna cook. The first thing I'm gonna do though is use my coal instead of my wood. So let's do that. 94 minutes. It's actually pretty good, and I have a lot of wood. So this is good. Can't. I can make boiled water. It's interesting. But for now, let's just cook that. And I'll see what I have in here. I'll make that into tea, definitely. I don't know why I got this drop, or... Can I scrap it? Did it say scrap? Oh, I can scrap it. Let's just do that. For some more iron. I'll scrap these too. Since after I drink out of the bottles, I can always get more water anyway, so I'm not really worried about it. Just food I'm a little concerned about, but I have 6 right here, so if I eat that, it should be fine. The other thing, I wish I could make grilled meat. That would be a lot better, but it is what it is. And how many waters? 9. Okay, and I got 10 of these, so that's good. So let's just make 9 of those, because like I said, these are a lot better than the regular water. It's always better to make teas, especially the red teas. I like the red teas a lot. And I still have a glass jar, but oh well. So let's see what I can do here. Let's make some bows. But okay, first we'll make a chest, because I'm almost out of room in that other one. Make a chest. And I do need to drink some water and stuff, so let's do that. Come on. Just one more. Alright, so let's eat that. Just keep eating it until I'm full. Hopefully I'll have leftover, which I probably will, because I did eat some canned food along the way. It does bring my hydration down, which sucks a little bit, but like I said, it doesn't matter since there's a pond. And I'm always going to have the... Ooh, my maximum health and stuff went up. That's awesome. Now we're at 104 health and stamina, which is really good. So I've been close to a couple of times where I almost died. But I didn't. That was fine. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll make a bunch of shivs. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So I'm not using wood and stuff. And then let's see how many of the spikes I can make. So I can make 75. So I think I only need about 30 more. Yeah, just about. But guys, since we made it to day 5, I will end it here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next day. Bye.